Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make oats cookies at home without an oven. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need quick oats, sugar, milk, butter, cocoa powder, and vanilla extract. Make sure you have a saucepan ready, along with your measuring tools and a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. This easy method requires no baking, making it perfect for a quick treat. Let's get started with combining our wet ingredients. Now let's cook our cookie base. In your saucepan, combine the sugar, milk, and butter. Place it over medium heat and bring the mixture to a full, rolling boil. Once it's boiling, let it continue for precisely 1 minute. This step is crucial for the cookie's texture. After 1 minute, take the saucepan off the heat and quickly stir in the cocoa powder until it's fully incorporated and smooth. With the cocoa mixed in, it's time to add the dry ingredients. Immediately add your quick oats and the vanilla extract to the hot mixture. Stir everything together very quickly and thoroughly until all the oats are completely coated. Work fast, as the mixture will start to set. Once combined, use a spoon to drop small portions onto your parchment-lined baking sheet, shaping them into cookies. Aim for about 2 inches in diameter. The final step is to let your delicious no-bake oat cookies set. You can simply leave them at room temperature for about 1 hour until they are firm. If you're eager to enjoy them sooner, place the baking sheet in the refrigerator for approximately 30 minutes. Once they are completely firm, your homemade no-bake oat cookies are ready to be enjoyed. They are a perfect, easy treat for any time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.